Hello friends, my name is Aditya Swami. Today's topic is control statements in Java language. Control statements are the base of any programming language. That is, in Java language, we can use control statements. Using that control statement, the flow of the program going smooth. Using control statement, we can implement the real world scenarios in the Java in the program. It is the fundamental feature of the programming language. There are three types of control statements in Java language. First is decision making statements. Second is loop statement, and third is jump or branch statements. First of all, decision making statements. As the name assigns, decision making statements are decide which statement is execute and when it is you execute. Decision making statements are evaluate the boolean values, that is true or false values. It means that the result of that statements are written in two forms only, that is true or false. There are two types of decision making statements. First is if statements and another one is switch statement. If statements is used to evaluate the condition where condition is true or false. There are four types of if statements. First is if statement, another one is if else statement, third is if else if statement, that is also called as ladder, and fourth one is nested if statement. First of all, if statement. If statement is a basic statement among the control flow statements. Using that we can print a value, it may be true or false. Second is if else statement. It is the extension of if statement. It means that if the value of if block is true, then if block is executed. When the value of if block is false, then it goes to the else block and else block is executed. Then third one is if else if statement, that is ladder statement. It is the if statement where the if else statement is inside the statements. Nested if statement. In that statement, in if statement, another if else statement is created. That it means it is called as nested if statement. Then switch statements. Switch statements are easier than if else statements, and it is very easy to read. Then loop statements. Using loop statements, we can increment the values. When we try to implement more values at the same form, we can use loop statements. Thank you.